Dear student, this is Kamrun Nahar, your science miss, is going to discuss about chapter 9. This chapter deals with heat and temperature. We know that in our universe there are two things. Everything in our universe divided into two portions. One is matter and the other is energy. Energy has no weight, doesn't occupy place, and doesn't resist while force is applied. And heat is a kind of energy which gives us the sensation of hotness or coldness for anything. So we can say that it has no weight, doesn't occupy place, and doesn't resist while force is applied. So we can also say that heat is a kind of energy that gives us the feeling of hotness. Heat can be felt with the skin out of five sense organs. We know we have five sense organs, but through heat, we feel heat through our sense organ. Now I am discussing about heat changes our atmospheric temperature and also pressure and humidity. So heat is very important for our normal atmospheric condition. it, if heat is more applied, then the total pressure and the humidity and the temperature also changes. We know what is pressure, we know what is temperature, we will know, and we have to know what is humidity. Humidity is the amount of vapor or the percentage amount of vapor that present in air. Okay, again I am repeating, heat is the humidity is the amount percentage of water vapor that is present in atmosphere. Now come to temperature. Temperature is the in simple word, temperature is the thermal condition of anything, or temperature is the result of heat. If you apply heat, then you get the temperature. That means heat is the condition. Heat is the condition and the temperature is the result. Heat creates the situation of thermal condition. If you heat any object, then the temperature will rise. That means you are giving heat and the temperature is also rising. So, temperature is the result of heat. Temperature is the thermal condition of anything. You can measure the temperature after giving heat or after being not applying heat. The normal temperature of human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Temperature can be measured in three scale. Later we will discuss. Now I am telling three scales are Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Kelvin is the international recognized scale. But there are keen difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a kind of energy which gives us the sensation of hot or cold for anything. On the other hand, temperature of anything is the measure of how much hot or cold the thing is. That is, the temperature is the thermal condition of anything. By measuring temperature, we can know the thermal condition, if it is 100 degrees centigrade or it is 98 degrees centigrade or it is 200 degrees centigrade, we can measure it. So there are keen difference between heat and temperature. Heat flows from hot thermal condition or hot thermal position to low thermal position. Through thermometer, we measure temperature. Different liquids such as mercury, alcohol are used for this purpose. We know that when we feel fever, we use temperature thermometer. For measuring temperature, we use thermometer. There are different type of thermometer, but basically we use Fahrenheit thermometer for measuring our fever. The temperature is measured by the variation of volume of this liquid. This liquid basically move very quickly due to application of heat. When your body gets high temperature, that means the thermal condition is below. Then if we applied thermometer, we basically use this mercury thermometer for our measurement of fever. Then we get the temperature. Our normal human body temperature, I have earlier said, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. If our body gets fever, that means temperature goes beyond that. Okay. So we can measure our temperature through thermometer. And again I am repeating, heat is a kind of energy which gives us the sensation of hot or cold for anything, and temperature is the thermal condition of anything. In small word, I can say that heat is the reason of thermal condition and temperature is the result of heat. Temperature is the result of heat and heat is the reason of thermal condition. Is it clear? From page 99, you will get the information about heat, and also from the underlined line is very important for knowing about energy and heat. Here is the temperature that I have already discussed, and here is the difference between heat and thermal condition, that means temperature and heat. I have told that heat is the reason of thermal condition or temperature, and temperature is the result. We can measure heat or temperature through using thermometer, and the underlined portion is very important for knowing us. I have already told that temperature can be measured by variation of volume of liquid. Temperature is measured by using different liquids such as mercury, alcohol, etc. These are very important for our getting more information. And meteorologists that are use thermometer to measure the temperature of air. That means meteorologist means the expert of weather. Those person are called meteorologist. Those person use thermometer to measure the temperature of air. So I think it will give you much more information if you study your book. And today I am completing the discussion about heat and temperature, page number from 99 to 101. That will be very helpful for you. Thank you for today. If you want to know about anything, then just contact with me over phone. Thank you everybody for listening my topic patiently.